Fans of the newfangled ultralight flying fad claim it's the wave of the aviation future.
The only way to truly understand flying in an ultralight is to get out and do it.
After your first experience in one of these things, you may find that ultralights are a lot like potato chips. You can't do this just one time. What do you say we go again, Don? Let's go for it.
Music is my aeroplane, it's my aeroplane. Somber, sweet and sour Jane, and music is my aeroplane, it's my aeroplane. Let's fight with pain.
Quicksilver Manufacturing, a company that for 27 years has consistently made aviational history, setting the standard for not only being the original, but also providing the safest recreational aircraft money can buy. But now, Quicksilver has taken their benchmark of quality to a whole new level. So strap in and get ready for the all-new Quicksilver Manufacturing Company. This ultra-modern manufacturing facility, headed up by a team of highly trained professionals and aeronautical engineers, has all the latest high-tech equipment to handle every job requirement, from aerospace to Zeppelins. This high-tech facility utilizes the latest fully automated equipment that will assure dead-on accuracy in a more timely manner. Water and laser cutting is also new, taking less production time, adding to efficiency. A full CAD CAM process is also used, taking manufacturing to new heights by eliminating costly labor and any margin for error. Now combine all this new dynamic technology with a team of motivated professionals ready to deliver the finest light recreational aircraft money can buy. So bottom line, you get a higher quality product at a lower cost. That's right, less dinero, giving anybody who has a dream of flying an opportunity to afford the safest light recreational aircraft on the market today. In addition, you can be assured that every Quicksilver part will be readily available and that each part is genuine, authentic, and manufactured with rigorous safety standards. When you see this safety stamp of approval from Quicksilver Manufacturing, you can be assured of its quality and that it's trademark protected. So, what do you think? Is the stamp a big deal for your safety? You bet it is. For close to 3 decades, Quicksilver has put the structural integrity of their aircraft first and foremost, so you can be assured that every nut, bolt, and component on every model has gone through rigorous performance testing to assure its structural integrity. This level of quality performance has been recognized repeatedly from over 12,000 satisfied customers all over the world. Chances are, if you're watching this tape for the first time, you've probably never experienced how fun owning an ultralight really is. Or maybe you would like the thought of flying but haven't, because you're just not sure how safe they really are. Quicksilver Manufacturing is here to say flying is not for everybody. Although, if you have the desire to fly and you get the proper training, it's one of the safest, most exciting recreations you'll ever have the opportunity to enjoy. So when it comes time to own your first ultralight, doesn't it make sense to enjoy the friendly skies in a proven winner that has a reputation for being the safest? Or maybe we should put it this way. If you were to walk on an ultralight wing, just for the thrill of it, what ultralight would you choose? Well, if you're the first professional wing walking team, like Essel and Faulkner, there's no question. You'll choose the integrity of a Quicksilver.
But there are only 14 people in the world who do what John Faulkner does. That is, stand on the wing of this ultralight plane while his partner Bob flies 600 feet in the air.
Well, I'm not strapped on. I do one maneuver. I turn around and hang out backwards, and the wind actually holds my back up.
Question. If you were going to race a car or take a trip to the moon, would you take advice from Mario Andretti or the man who actually did land on the moon, Jim Irwin? Of course you would. Well, here's what they had to say about their Quicksilvers.
You know, quality is valued everywhere in our world. I look for quality of design and engineering in my cars and my aircraft. It all begins right here on the drawing board. The Quicksilver's unique combination of easy handling, stable flight are the result of extensive planning, design, and testing.
Safe, fun flying. Here in my MX Quicksilver, I found what I was looking for. No doubt about it. Walking on the moon was and always will be a singular event in my life.
Well, the movie clips were old, but the good news is they still enjoy flying their ultralights from Quicksilver Manufacturing. Now it's time to get out your pad and pencil and take notes on which model light recreational aircraft fits your needs the best. Starting the lineup with one of the most popular models from Quicksilver Manufacturing, the MX Sprint. This precision aircraft was designed for the entry-level pilot while maintaining the thrill and excitement that's expected from a quality aircraft. The excellent roll response of the MX Sprint will certainly keep you coming back for more, while the structural performance of the MX Sprint's 3-axis control handles cross winds easily. In addition, the MX Sprint maintains the docile and predictable slow flight characteristics that made the original MX a worldwide bestseller in its class. So get out your pad and pencil. Here comes the specs on the Sprint. Of course, if you want more performance, the MX Sport definitely has the features you're looking for, with its very impressive slick, short-span double-surfaced wing with near full-span ailerons. And of course, its 3-axis controls give the MX Sport an even quicker roll rate, with better crosswind handling, giving the pilot more performance when needed. Now here are the specs on the Sport. Moving on to the MX2 Sprint, this workhorse has proved to be a winner for the recreational flyer and flight schools alike. Its partially double-surfaced wings combined with a high lift give the MX2 Sprint an exceptional short takeoff roll and predictable handling at very low flight speeds. These dynamic characteristics of the MX2 Sprint have proven repeatedly to be the top choice for performance in its class. And as all ultralights from Quicksilver Manufacturing, you'll appreciate their excellent design that promotes easy assembly. Now, here are the specs on the MX2 Sprint. And of course, if you desire even more performance in a 2-passenger ultralight, then you've definitely found what you're looking for in the MXL2 Sport. Its double-surfaced wings and 3-axis controls give the MXL2 Sport more responsive characteristics when you demand it. Its impressive, smooth, and predictable flight characteristics have won the world over, ranking the performance of the MXL2 Sport top in its class anywhere. And by the way, it's the bestseller too. Here are the impressive specs on the MXL2 Sport. And now for the recreational aviator that wants an aircraft that performs more like a general aviation plane but doesn't want to sell their house to buy one. Then you should take a good look at the GT400. Of course, good looks aren't everything. The GT400 is a lean, mean flying machine, giving the pilot more plane for their money. Besides its aerodynamic design, the GT400 is incredibly docile and easy to fly. As you can see, its windscreen and cockpit design make the GT400 a pleasure to fly in cold climates, yet comfortable for long trips. The low-speed stability on the GT400 is extremely responsive, with its 3-axis design and 3-position flaps, which are not available in most aircraft in its class. Now here are the high-performance specs on the GT400. And now the final history-making aircraft from Quicksilver Manufacturing, the GT500. The only certified light recreational aircraft of its class. When Quicksilver Manufacturing built this baby, they knew it would make aviational history, and that's exactly what it did. Utilizing CAD and CAM design technology, Quicksilver Manufacturing utilized a team of aeronautical experts for which they have won many awards to engineer an aircraft that would surpass any R&D testing in the industry for more speed, better aerodynamics, and much greater range. The GT500 is the only aircraft in its class to be fully certified by the FAA. And now, meet the new powerful class of the GT500, the 912UL. Having the #1 line of light recreational aircraft isn't easy. Having the only FAA certified ultralight speaks for itself. If you can find another light recreational aircraft with these specs and that's certified, then you should buy it. Now the exciting thrill of powered flight is easily within your reach. Although you could build something yourself, we at Quicksilver Manufacturing don't recommend it. For the safest, most reliable light recreational aircraft in the world, and now at a more affordable cost, talk to your qualified Quicksilver Manufacturing dealer. And remember, nothing comes close for your safety than an ultralight made for you by Quicksilver Manufacturing.